Hello everyone, welcome to Dandan Chinese. I'm Dandan. So today we're gonna learn this character. This is 钱,钱,钱. Now let's see, what's this character originally like? It's like this. And now, the traditional character is the same as the simplified character. It means in front, forward. Now, I hope you could prepare a pen and a piece of paper so we can write it together. We're gonna write this character for 3 times. Are you ready? Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 strokes in this character. Let's write it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, the last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now after the lesson, you can practice it by yourself. Now let's learn how to remember this character. I change it into a picture. So from the picture, we can see first the footprint. It's like a man is standing. And in front of him, there is a boat with 2 paddles. And have you recognized the horizontal stroke? I change it into the dividing line between the land and the sea. Now we change again. So I put 2 paddles aside. And now I move the footprint. It left 2 dots. Now it's more like 钱, right? Okay, now can you remember this character? Let's learn some down-to-earth Chinese with 钱. This is 前怕狼,后怕虎. So 前 means front, forward, and the 怕 means scared, afraid. 狼 means wolf. 后, the opposite of 前, means back. And 虎 means the tiger. So now it's like my current situation. When sometimes we need to make some decision, and we can't go this way because it have wolf there. And we can't go that way either, because there's a tiger. So what can we do? So at this time, what are you gonna do? Can you tell me? Okay, so much for this lesson. I'll see you next time. Bye!